Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Nyla. I am here with Shane, and we are back with another Skyway Classics vehicle. Today, we are showing you a beautiful 1928 Ford Model A.
We have a 1928 Ford Model A here. It is powered by a 350 Chevy crate motor small block with an automatic transmission. You see here it does have the nice vinyl Londo top, which I think is very cool. Custom blue paint, custom gray flames.
It's very pretty. It's almost like a two-tone ombre. It starts lighter, it gets a little darker at the bottom.
This has vintage air conditioning. Has vintage air conditioning. It has tilt steering. In an automatic.
It is a two-seater, but you got the nice comfy back seat back there. Interior is in great condition. Even though it's got flames, it's very tasteful. It's a really, really nice paint job. All right, so up next, we're gonna get the engine cranked. We'll take a look at the engine bay. We're gonna take it for a spin down the road, and then we will put it up on the lift and show you the underneath. Stay tuned. Take the 28 for a spin. It does have a toggle, and there's a touchscreen radio on here too. We just have it off right now so we can
It's got
hear.
vintage AC, has tilt steering. Looks like our voltage gauge is working, our fuel gauge is working.
I took that dip in the road really nice, super quiet.
It actually handles very well for a 1928.
It's very responsive. Sounds good going down the road. Looks good going down the road.
It's a 3-speed automatic. All 3 gears seem to be shifting the way they should.